Very fresh morning to one and present over here. I am Anushka Sanjay Kunale from grade 8. Today I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Tuesday and today's date is 7th January 2025. Thank you and have a nice day.
Very fresh morning to one and all. I am Astha Koi from grade 8. Today I am here to tell you today's thought for the day. A thought is technology is a soaring exercise for the human imagination. It means that the technology provides limitless opportunity to turn human creativity into reality. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.
Good morning everyone, I am Shraddha Olympiad from grade 8. This is Apurva Kashmiri from grade 8. I am Vanshika Ved from grade 8.
This is Saiko Ray from grade 8.
Today we are here to tell you today's importance of the day. Today is International Programmers Day. It was first observed on 13 September 2002.
Hold on, what is International Programmers Day?
It is a day to celebrate the work and contribution of programmers and developers to technology and society. The day is celebrated on 256th day of the year.
But I was wondering, who are programmers?
Programmers, they are the individuals who write and create the code that makes software, computer and application works. They use programming languages to develop everything from websites to video games and mobile apps.
But why is it 256th day?
256 is significant in the world of technology because it is the highest power of 2, which is less than 365. In computers, data is stored in binary and 256 is a key number for binary calculations, particularly in 8-bit system.
Can you please help me out with the need and importance of this day?
Sure, it educates students about the role of programming in shaping the modern world. Motivates students to explore coding and tech-related careers. Skill development emphasizes learning coding and helps in future job plans. We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to emphasize the importance of coding and the role of programmers in shaping the future. To inspire students to explore the world of technology.
Encourage problem-solving skills that will be valuable in any career.
Today, let's honor the ones who turn lines of code into powerful solutions. Happy Programmers Day. Thank you and have a just full day ahead.